So what is functional neurology? It's a question we get quite a lot. Basically, it's like any other treatment modality, like a physio or an osteo or a chiro, but we look at things a little bit differently, and most of the time I'm asking directly with your musculoskeletal system what the problem is, find out what your body needs to heal, and then we provide that and see if the body has healed. The main difference between what I do and what we see in a lot of other treatment modalities is because I'm asking directly what's going on with your body, it's telling me directly what it needs, whereas pretty much every other modality that I'm aware of is more about trying to make a best guess based off their education and their experience, which a lot of the time is very effective, but often does miss the mark, or it takes a few times before they actually find out what's going on. So we use a muscle testing process a lot of the time. So we'll find, say you've got a sore left hip, I'll contact that area and then I'll push on a different limb and I'll ask your body, what's the main thing going on? Is it a system or is it a tissue? And if it's a tissue, is it a soft tissue or is it a joint or a fascia or something along those lines? And we just pad that out as much as we can to find out exactly what the body needs. Once we provide that, we then retest the problem area. Maybe we get more strength, maybe we get more range of movement, maybe the pain drops away. It could be anything. As long as we are able to provide the resource the body needs to heal, then it should heal.